good day to everyone. Welcome to Visual Group. I am Pei from Product Development Divisions of Visual Group. I'm so happy today because has this opportunity to share one of the amazing products, Angel's Secret Sanitary Napkin, with you. Menstruation is a natural physiological process that every healthy woman undergoes. But although every woman experiences it on a regular basis, not everyone is well informed about the need to ensure hygiene. Menstruating women need to pay particular attention to personal hygiene. During this time, a woman's vulnerability towards potentially high life-threatening ailments increases. Poor menstrual hygiene can lead to many issues, such as fungal or bacterial infections of the reproductive tract and the urinary tract. Ladies and gentlemen, do you know that during menses, 160,000 harmful bacteria grow on a sanitary pad in every 4 minutes. 75% of women will have at least one episode of vaginal infections during their lifetime. Why it is so easy for women to suffer from bacterial infections during menstruation? This is because during menses, menstrual environment is wet, unbreathable, lack of oxygen, more alkaline. Such environment provides an ideal environment for harmful bacteria to breed. These bacteria can infect your urinary tracts, including urethra and urinary bladder, resulting in painful urinations, lower abdominal pain, back pain, itchy skin, and excessive vaginal discharge. If the symptoms persistent happen, this may lead to other more serious female genital diseases such as urinary tract infections, pelvic inflammatory disease, ovarian cancer, cervical cancer, and vaginitis. Ladies and gentlemen, according to World Health Organization, over 62% of gynecological diseases are caused by the use of poor quality sanitary napkin. Have you checked of the quality of sanitary napkin that you are using now? Ordinary napkin come from discarded or garbage paper, and during the manufacturing process, chlorine bleach is used to make napkin white. This can result in the formation of dioxin. What is dioxin? Dioxin is a highly toxic and can cause cancer, reproductive problems, weaken the immune system, and can interfere with the hormones. It is 900 times more poisonous than arsenic. International Cancer Research Center has classified it as Group 1 carcinogenic to humans. Do you know that a woman will use up to an average of 16,000 pieces of sanitary napkins within 30 to 40 years in her entire lifetime? In other words, they are 16,000 times exposed to dioxin. Other than bleaching powder, a huge amount of caustic soda, deodorizer, fluorescent chemical substances are introduced during the manufacturing process. This chemical alkali would damage skin's pH level balance and cause gynecological diseases. Ladies and gentlemen, women deserve good quality napkin for their health. What women needs is an antibacterial, super absorbent, highly breathable, hygienic sanitary napkin. And so I'm pleased to introduce Angel's Secret Sanitary Napkin that bring higher order benefits to the health of reproductive system. Angel's Secret Sanitary Napkin with dual core technology, patented negative ion core, enabling women to have top quality life with health, happiness, beauty, and wealth. Angel's Secret Sanitary Napkin come in several layers of quality material to give you the health or benefit of health, comfort, and safety effects. What is the specialty of Angel's Secret Sanitary Napkin? It comes with 7 outstanding functional features. The first product feature I would like to share with all of you is safety packaging. This slide shows the comparison of outer packaging between brand S and Angel Secret. The outer packaging of brand S is using plastic-based packaging, cannot be completely sealed once it is opened. However, the outer packaging of Angel Secret sanitary napkin is using high-quality aluminum foil, can be resealed to prevent bacterial growth. Every piece of napkin is machine packed and sealed in the production line. The hand-free process avoids the secondary pollutions, guarantees safety and sanitation. This slide shows the comparison of inner packaging between the brand S and Angel Secret. Each piece of brand S sanitary napkin is completely unsealed once it is opened. However, each piece of Angel Secret sanitary napkin is automatically packed and sealed once it was first formed in the production line to prevent secondary contaminations. The second product feature is comfortable. Compared to ordinary chemical rough cotton surface, Angel Secret sanitary napkin surface is made from premium, extra soft surface that is softer, thinner and more comfortable. The third product feature is super absorbent. This slide shows the comparison of absorbency test between the brand S and Angel Secret. Press the tissue paper against the surface of each sanitary napkin with a hand after injection with 50 ml of water into each sanitary napkin. Notice that tissue paper from brand S is wet. However, tissue paper from Angel Secret remains dry. Angel Secret sanitary napkin with super absorbent polymer from Japan acts an absorbent material could hold the penetrated film in instead of letting them side-leak or backflow. Thus, it can always keep the body comfortable and clean. The fourth product feature is highly breathable. This slide shows the comparison of breathability tests between the brand S and Angel Secret. After 2 minutes pressing those glasses as per slide shown, no condensation shows in brand S. However, the condensation of water vapor in the cup on top shows that Angel Secret is highly breathable. This is because the bottom layer is made of highly resistant and air-permeable materials that prevent leaking and effectively reduce the moisture and warmness between napkin and skin. The fifth product feature is anti-leakage design. Angel Secret sanitary napkin with dual dry core ensure instant dry on surface through best penetration and absorption power, double popping lines and W-type linkage barriers which can help to prevent side linkage. The sixth product feature is health protection. Angel Secret sanitary napkin has a negative ion core inside the setting, which emits high density of negative ion when used. The negative ion core is using plant fiber source, which can provide a safe, natural care to women's health. What are the benefits of negative ion? Negative ion provides anti-odor, antibacterial, anti-inflammatory effects. Besides, it also helps to harmonize the pH level, promote healthy metabolism, enhance blood circulations, regulate menstrual cycle, restore hormonal balance, and relieves abdominal cramps. This slide shows the negative ion core in Angel Secret is came from natural source. Gently remove the negative ion core from each sanitary napkin to burn up completely. Results show that negative ion core from Angel Secret is completely burnt down to ash. Last but not least, Angel Secret sanitary napkin utilize negative ionized oxygen spray technology to provide double strength of protection in anaerobic bacterial growth for optimum women's health. It is applied to every napkin and liner to ensure free from secondary contaminations during the production. There are 3 Angel Secret sanitary napkin products that come in different packaging. They use 1 pack contains 10 packs. Night use 1 pack contains 8 packs. And panty liner 1 pack contains 30 packs. How about quality? Angel Secret sanitary napkin come complete with a string of quality assurance certifications to give you complete peace of mind. Angel Secret is 100% safe and trusted by users. It has been verified as safe for usage, fluorescent brightening agent free, and microbial free by Aqua30 Laboratory. It also backed with CE certification and radiation free certifications. Do you know that? Angel Secret's panty liner is suitable for men use too. Everyday intimate hygiene is essential to keep your urinary tract healthy. Thus, men are advised to use the panty liner. It can help to prevent urinary tract infections and eliminating odor. Besides, panty liner can be pressed on inner shoe. It can help to absorb food smell and eliminate odor. Clean liners of genital area and access to safe menstrual hygiene products can reduce the incidence of infections up to 97%. The proper use of sanitary napkin for menses is important to reduce the risk associated with menses. Changing sanitary napkin every 4 hours and washing hands every time sanitary napkin is changed are small but significant steps towards ensuring good hygiene during menses. Without the discomfort and pain associated with infection, women can enjoy stress-free menses and continue participating in all day-to-day activities. Well, that's all I have shared on today. Thanks for listening. See you guys in Business soon.